Yeah, and usually when you see fog, guys, that's a precursor for some mild air. So that's certainly denoting that. And how about a wild time 30 years ago? Today is the anniversary of the blizzard of 1996. Look at that, guys, all the snow. We ended up on that storm 20.2 inches in Central Park. That's the sixth largest snowfall. I mean, I remember that, 8 years old, jumping out of my second story. I don't know what my parents were thinking. I jumped out into the snow pile, and it was like a cushion, like you just fell onto a pillow. You remember that, Dan Manorino? You were
10.
here, right?
I was 10.
You were 10. You were 10. Okay,
Yeah.
so I'm younger than you. All right. And again, that was a doozy of a storm. 30 years ago on this date. So we'll throw in a little weather knowledge at you.